So how on earth do you get whole food-based multivitamins? Like, are they steaming vegetables and smash them into little capsules like this? No, they are not. It is in fact quite a lot weirder than that. This is Nick from BarBend.com, and today I am taking a look at one of the most talked about supplements on the market, Performance Labs Whole Food Multi, which is designed in the United Kingdom and then manufactured in the United States by OptiNutra. And what they really claim is that because of a very unusual process called biogenesis, the nutrients in these supplements are going to be more innovative and have enhanced absorption than your regular multivitamins, which are made from synthetic vitamins. So how does it work? So here's how Performance Lab gets their vitamins. This is what they call biogenesis. So they get bacteria, probiotic bacteria and brewer's yeast, to seed with micronutrients in a growth medium. And I know this is enormously complicated and very difficult to understand for the average person, but basically when they do this, the bacteria make micronutrients, and these micronutrients are more, quote, bioidentical to the sorts of micronutrients like vitamins and minerals you'll get in actual food, in stark contrast to the synthetic vitamins and minerals that are made in a more synthetic manner and what you're going to find in less expensive multivitamins. So that's basically it. The idea is because living organisms create the vitamins and minerals here, they're going to be more readily recognized by the body and thus more readily absorbed. Do we have data on this? Not a ton. It's kind of hard to find out. We do have a decent amount of data suggesting that sometimes some synthetic vitamins are not very well absorbed by the body, perhaps because they're lacking like certain cofactors and coenzymes that sort of accompany the vitamins and minerals in actual food. And Performance Lab claims to have created a multivitamin that has some, if not all, of these cofactors and coenzymes to help these things absorb. So what are the actual vitamins and minerals you're getting here? So despite the alleged high quality of the vitamins and minerals in this product, it does not contain the full suite of 24 to 26 essential vitamins and minerals, but it does have a pretty good amount. You're getting 1 to 200-ish% of vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamins K1 and 2, the whole suite of B vitamins, also some manganese, chromium, zinc, and selenium. I was especially happy here that it has like 250% actually of vitamin D3, plus it's got K1 and K2, and these are like 3 nutrients that a lot of people run low on and which are pretty important for bone strength. And also it appears in some studies that you want to get vitamin D and the K vitamins together because they sort of act synergistically to improve bone strength, which is pretty cool. I need to emphasize here that I have the whole food multi for men, so a couple of these ingredients are different for women. Not many of them, but when I'm talking about the extra ingredients here that are not vitamins or minerals that have been added into this, these do vary a little bit between the two types. So what you got here, there's some stuff you don't have a recommended daily intake for. It's not considered a vitamin or a mineral, but it still may confer some benefits. Those include strontium, which has some links to bone strength, like an ability to prevent bone breakdown. You've also got inositol and vanadium, which have some linked with like better blood sugar management. And then boron, which some studies suggest may help you produce testosterone, maybe. Not very conclusively proven exactly, but still some interesting evidence nonetheless. So as far as the price goes, one bottle like this is going to cost you about $40. It'll last you a month. And that both is and is not expensive. These sorts of products are really hard to figure out because so many different multivitamins contain different amounts of all the vitamins and minerals. So for this, you will find some cheaper products that have more vitamins and minerals because this is low in calcium and magnesium. However, with all of the energy that goes into making this and all the biogenesis and so on, this stuff is extraordinarily expensive, I imagine. I'm actually not that upset at the price. I think $40 is pretty reasonable given the labor that goes into this product. All right, so why should you take Performance Labs Whole Food Multi? There's quite a few things I like about this. I like that it has a good amount of vitamin D and vitamin K, and it also has strontium. They've got quite a few ingredients here that might work together to help improve bone strength, prevent bone breakdown. That's a big pro. These are nutrients that a lot of people run low on. So it's got a really wide variety of vitamins in general. You've got, yeah, again, you got vitamin D, vitamin K, plenty of vitamin E and A and C and all the B vitamins, all this kind of stuff. Pretty impressed with that. It is also, of course, made with this whole biogenesis process, which they claim makes bioidentical vitamins and minerals that are absorbed more readily by the body. Pretty hard to get like data on this kind of stuff, but you know, the reasoning is sound, and if you buy into it, then you should be pretty happy. This product does not give you synthetic vitamins and minerals, which I know a lot of people don't like. And indeed, there are some studies that the body does not absorb certain vitamins and minerals that are synthetically made especially well. This stuff is all pretty controversial, but definitely there's a good market for people who want these sorts of vitamins that are not synthetically made. It is also vegan. It has no allergens whatsoever, no soy, egg, fish, shellfish, dairy, peanut, tree nuts, or anything like that. And finally, I don't think it is all that expensive given the quality of the product. There are a few potential downsides with this product. I just said that I'm pretty happy with the price given all the labor that goes into it. But if you don't care about getting non-synthetically made vitamins and minerals, if you just want like a supplement with a bunch of vitamins and minerals on the side of it, yeah, you might be a bit annoyed at the price of this. I think the price is okay, but a lot of people just don't really care if their vitamins are synthetically made or not. I mean, that's your prerogative. That's just like worth pointing out if that sounds like you. It also is not crazy high in minerals. Good array of vitamins, but it doesn't have any calcium. Well, I mean, it's very low in calcium, 1.8% of your daily intake. It's also very low in magnesium. And these are two minerals that I supplement with myself, like the only minerals that I take in supplement form. They're pretty important. It's pretty hard to run low on them in your daily diet. So, you know, you might want to get a separate supplement for that, or just eat like a whole lot of leafy greens if you don't want to do that, but that's a lot of work for a lot of people. Finally, they say that it supplies probiotics, but they do not say how many probiotics it contains, and if it has any at all actually on the bottle. They mention that on the website, but there's no more information about any probiotics in there. So the marketing is just a bit fuzzy on that one. I'm not super confident in it as a source of bacteria. All right, those are my thoughts on the Whole Food Multi for Men the Performance Lab sent us. If you want to see the full written review with a bunch of studies and so on, that's in the description below. And if you want to see our best picks for the best men's multivitamins in the whole world, just make sure you Google that full roundup with BarBend Best Men's Multivitamins.